For Lab 4, we'll simulate the rolling of a single die. First, we want to start in StatCrunch on the main page, My StatCrunch, and click Type or Paste Data into a blank data table. We'll simulate data by clicking Data, Simulate Uniform. Rows will start with 30, and we'll form 3 columns. The minimum value will be 0.5, maximum value is 6.499. We'll move down here, giving a column name prefix of n equals 30, and then click number of decimal places 0, and compute. We get 3 columns of data. Now instead of doing all of that again, I'll click Options and Edit, and I'll change rows to 100, and I'll change my prefix to n equals 100. Leaving everything else the same, compute, and we get 3 more columns. You'll notice that n equals 30 is a prefix, and it's followed by 1, 2, and 3, and same with n equals 100 to distinguish the 3 different samples. We'll click Edit one more time, changing the number of rows to 1000, and the prefix to n equals 1000, leaving everything else the same. Click Compute, and now we have 9 columns of data. We'll want to create a graph, histogram. I'm going to use the Shift click, so I'm clicking on the first using Shift with click. I'll be able to select all 9. I'm going to select relative frequency. I'm leaving most of the rest of this the same, except I want all 9 of my histograms to be on the same page, so I'll give myself 3 rows and 3 columns per page, and compute. So what I see here is my 9 histograms. First I have my 30 samples, then I have my 100 samples, and then I have my 1000 samples. From here you should save your result. Lab 4 histograms, save, and then we can save the data by clicking Data, Save. Again, Lab 4 data, save. Now you are ready to go back to My StatCrunch, go to Reports, create a new report, and I'll stop there because we've seen the creation of reports many times before. If you have difficulty, you should watch one of the previous lab demos for this demonstration.